Okay, so that's where the gas needs to go. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Alrighty, my Brady. And I'm gonna need you to hold these little thingies. Hold on me.
Let me add.
Come on. Jesus, this thing's. So I got a 14-foot lag bolt. There you go. Okay. Hopefully I'm still on. Oh fuck.
That was a bit much.
I didn't mean for that much to come out. Whoops. We're gonna let that dry up for a sec.
Yeah.
Came with the bolts and things.
Yeah.
I think that's how you do it. Never done it.
No.
Trained professional here.
Yeah, first restoration project. Trained professional.
Okay, we're gonna let that dry for a sec because I don't want to die.
You're gonna die.
Yeah, I mean, it goes in there. Oh, it's definitely down in there.
Yeah.
All right, you want full send?
Full send.
See what she does. Back up a little bit in case she throws a fireball. Actually, yeah, let's let it dry for a sec. So if it does throw a fireball, it doesn't catch everything else on fire. You know, it'd be smart if we got a bottle, put it in the bottle so we can just gradually.
Yeah.
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 There it goes, running out of gas. Yep, so it is a fuel pump. That's all it needs.
Wow.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, no kidding. Huh. Alrighty.